Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
To get Photoshop Beta Generative AI, start with the basics. You need an Adobe account and Creative Cloud Desktop installed on your computer. Make sure you have an active Photoshop entitlement or trial available in your account. Open Creative Cloud Desktop and sign in with the same Adobe ID. Opt into Adobe Beta Access from the Creative Cloud settings to enable beta apps. Check that your system meets recommended specs before proceeding. Keep your Adobe ID and password ready for sign-in. Next, install the beta through Creative Cloud Desktop step by step. Open Creative Cloud Desktop and go to the Apps tab, then select Beta Apps. Locate Photoshop, Beta, and click Install to download the beta build to your machine. Launch Photoshop, Beta, and sign in with the same Adobe ID if prompted. Open Preferences and enable Generative Fill or AI features in the Technology Preview area. Restart Photoshop Beta to apply the new settings and prepare to test features. To use Generative Fill, choose the Marquee tool and make a selection first. With the selection active, click the Generative Fill button or open the Fill menu and choose Generative Fill. Type a clear text prompt describing the desired content and press Generate to create variations. Use the lightbox to review multiple options and click Commit when you like a result. If results are unexpected, report bugs via the feedback menu inside Photoshop Beta. Keep your Creative Cloud app updated to receive fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.